Hey there, Fit friends, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mandy here with Mandy Tips Fit, and today I have for you all a really awesome strength training workout that is going to help with your balance. So these workouts, I'm having trouble finding good balancing workouts on YouTube, so I wanted to bring this to you. Balancing muscles are super important for endurance. If you have weak ankles, weak knees, then these workouts are going to help strengthen those muscles for you all. So it's really important. You might feel a little bit sore and weird muscles the next day because, like I said, these muscles oftentimes do get ignored. And I recommend doing balancing exercises frequently to help improve your endurance and help improve those muscles. I mean, you're just going to see night and day difference if you do these balancing exercises frequently. So we're going to have about 7 exercises we're going to do. This isn't like a cardio intensive type of workout. It's going to be very focused mentally, and be patient with yourself. If you lose your balance, just try to catch yourself a little bit and get right back into the position that you were in. I'm probably going to lose my balance a few times, and that's totally fine. So just be patient with yourself. We're going to get through it, and it's going to be really great. And let me know what you think about it after it's done. So we're going to do 30 seconds on each leg that we're going to be doing. 7 different exercises. We're going to be doing all those 7 exercises, and then we're going to repeat those 7 exercises once again. So let's get ready, get some flat shoes on, because you don't want running shoes on. Mine are kind of make me teeter-totter back and forth because there's such an arch in my shoes. So you want good flatter shoes, and let's get going. Hey there everybody, and welcome to the voiceover for this balance routine. Our first exercise is going to be up on our tippy toe with one leg. We're going to do it for 30 seconds on each side. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up on one leg on your tippy toe. Keep your balance as much as you can. If you lose your balance, just regain your pose. Be patient with yourself. I lose my balance just a little bit here and there, so just stay patient with yourself, keep your core tight, and just stay focused. We're doing these for 30 seconds each. Alright, we're going to switch over to the next leg. Right, go ahead and get in your position, your tippy toe on the other foot. Remember to keep your core tight. As you get more comfortable in this position, start to bring your knee up a little bit higher to make this a little more difficult also. And our next exercise is going to be a one-leg deadlift. We're going to go ahead and begin. You want to try to get your opposite arm to your opposite foot. We're not really worried about how many reps we're doing right now. We're just kind of trying to stay focused. I am not letting my foot touch the ground when I come up either, so try to not let your foot touch the ground when you come up. If you need to let it touch to regain your balance, then that's fine. Alright, we're going to switch over to the next side in about 10 seconds, so just shake that out a little bit. Alright, get ready and begin. Opposite hand to opposite foot, slow and controlled. If you lose your balance, just try to regain it. Just do what you need to do to stay focused. The exercise that we're going to be doing next will be a tree pose. I'm sure most of you all know what that particular exercise is, but I'll show you a quick little version of it. So you'll bring your one leg up and hands above your head. You don't want your foot to push into your leg too hard. You want it to just be kind of resting there, not actually like pushing on your leg. So go ahead and bring your leg up and arms above your head. And that foot is just resting. It's not pushing on your leg. And just do what you need to do to stay focused. Keep your core tight and remember to breathe. These are all great strengthening exercises and great balancing exercises. It's a really awesome change of pace. All right, get ready for your next leg. Bring your next leg up in hands above your head. Once again, your foot is just kind of resting on your leg, not pushing on it. These exercises are just great for strengthening your balance though, which will strengthen your endurance. And the exercise after this will be Warrior 3. I'll show you the example of that here. Alright, you're going to come forward, you're going to be balancing on one leg at a time, and you're going to get in kind of like a Superman position there. I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, and we're going to start in just a couple of seconds. Alright, and begin. You come down into a Superman type pose. Your left leg should be out back behind you, and you're balancing on your right leg right now. Keep your core tight in this one. If you can lean forward a little more than I am, then go ahead and try to lean forward a little bit more. Alright, we have about 10 seconds, and then we'll be switching over to the other side. Just shake that out a little bit. Alright, go ahead and get into the position with your other side. So left leg is on the ground, and your right leg is back behind you. Arms are out in Superman position. This is yoga pose. Warrior 3 is what this one is called. And the exercise we'll be doing after this will be skater lunges. So I'm just going to show you how it's done here real quick. From side to side, you have a little hop, opposite hand to opposite foot. To make it a little bit more difficult, that foot that's going to be behind you, don't let it touch the ground. That makes it quite a bit more difficult. Alright, so let's go ahead and begin. We have 30 seconds, and then we will do it one more time through for another 30 seconds. This gives us just a little bit of cardio in there, not too bad. And I'm letting my back foot touch the ground. But like I said, if you all want to make it quite a bit more difficult, then try to not let your back foot touch the ground. Alright, just take a little break here, shake it out, and get ready for round 2 of skater lunges. Go ahead and begin. After this, we have 2 more exercises. I'm wanting to strengthen my balance because I am wanting to become proficient in handstand. So I'm going ahead and getting some of my balancing moves down and just my mental focus for balancing down so I can do a handstand. Our next exercise is going to be leg swings. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your leg and slowly and focused swing it in front of you and then out, and then behind you and back out, and in front of you, out, and behind you and out. So just stay focused with these and you should do just fine. Alright. Slow and controlled. We're not worrying about reps. We're just focused. Swing it out as far as you can in front of you and behind you. Alright, just a little break here. Shake it out. We're going to get ready to do the next side. And then we just have one more exercise left. And then we will be repeating this entire little circuit all the way through again. All right, we're bringing it in front of us and then behind us. Slow and controlled. All right, and our last exercise is going to be lunge with a knee drive. So I'll show you how that's done before we get going on those. What you're going to do is you're going to lunge one leg back at a time, reverse lunge, and then bring your knee up in front of you. Once again, not worrying about reps. We're just focused on the balance aspect here. And then after this, you all can just go back to where we started and do these 7 exercises one more time through, or you can do it as many times through as you'd like, but try to do it at least one more time through. All right, reverse back and lunge forward. Just shake it out a little bit there and get ready for the next side, and then we'll start all the way over. Lunge back and bring your knee up. But like I said, I'm not going to be videoing myself doing this circuit a second time through. I just will have you guys go back in the video and redo the circuit as many times as you like, but like I said, to try to do it at least one more time. And after this, we will have one stretch that I will bring to you. So great job, and keep watching for the stretch. Okay, everybody, great job on all of those. We're just going to end it out with one quick stretch. This is going to be a balancing stretch, of course. So if you need to hold on to something, find something to hold on to. You're going to bring your right leg on top of your knee and just squat down, and we're going to get a nice hip glute stretch. This is going to be a nice stretch for those muscles that we just worked. So we're just going to hold it here for just a few seconds. All right, release that. And then you're going to bring your left leg above your knee, squat down. Squat until you feel that nice stretch where I'm talking about. All right, just a few more seconds here. All right, great job, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I really enjoy workouts like this, so let me know what you think. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you all next time.